Hello dear student, now we are in the exercise part of the class 6 exercise 3.1. So in the question 1, write all the factor of the following numbers. Some numbers have been given and we have to check their factor. So checking factor, it's very simple. We have seen in the introduction part also. If you watch that tutorial, you can easily solve this. First number is 24. So you check that number 24 or any number, it can be divided by 1. 1 is a common number. So as you know, 1 into 24 is the same number. So this number is the factor of all the number. Now the next one is 2. It is better if you check the number in the ascending order. So in 2 number, if you do 2 into 12, that is 24. Both the numbers are the exact factor of the 24. Next number is 3. 3 into 8 is 24. Okay. So if you divide this by 3, you get the quotient 8. So if you do the multiplication, 3 into 8, it is 24. Next number you check 4. In the 4 multiplication table, 24 comes. So it means 4 into 6 is 24. Next number you check 5. In the 5 multiplication table, 24 doesn't come. Next is 6. 6 into 4, 24. But it is already written, so there is no need to write. Then 7, in the 7 multiplication table, 24 doesn't come. Then in the 8 into 3 already done. Then 9, 24 doesn't come. Then 10, 11, finally 12 is the number, but it is already given, so there is no such number then. So here you can write factors are, now you write in ascending order 1, then you write 2, 3, 4. So there is no chances of skipping any number. Then after 4 there is a 6, then 8, then 12, then number itself. So these are the factor. Then in B part, 15 is there, so we start from 1. 1 is the common factor, that is 1 into 15 is 15. In the 2 multiplication table, 15 not come. Then you have to check 3. 3 into 5, it is 15. Then you check 4. Then in 5 multiplication table it comes, but we have already written 3 into 5. There is no need to write separately 5 into 3. So 6, 7, then up to means any number, that number not come except the 15, but 15 into 1. So we have already done this, so no need to write. So you check the factors are 1, 3, 5 and 15. Going for the part C, 21 is there. So you start from 1. 1 into 21 is 21. Then 2. So 2 is not possible here. Finally 3 is there. 3 into 7, 21. Then other number like 4, 5, 6, 7 is possible because in 7 multiplication table 21 comes. 7 into 3, but it is already done. Because same number if you write in reverse order, there is no logic for that. 8, 21 doesn't come. 9 also, 10 also, 11, 12, there is no number remain. Then finally last is 21, so that we already done. 1 into 21 is nothing but 21 into 1. So here factor are 1, 3, 7, 21. Next one is 27, start with 1. Next 2 is not possible. Then 3 is possible, yes. 3 into 9 is 27. Then for 4, 5, 6 it is not possible. 7 also, 8 also, then 9. 9 is already done. 9 into 3 is 27. Then next number 12 not possible, 13 not possible, 14 also, 15, 16, no number is possible. In other number multiplication table 27 is not coming. So finally we will do with 27 into 1, that we have already done. So here the factors are 1, 3, 9, 27. These are the factors. E, you start with 1. next number is 2, 2 into 6 12, next number is 3, 3 into 4 is 12, then next number is 4, 4 into 3 we have already done, then 5 not possible, 6 into 2 is 12 we have already done, then another number only, then last 12 is remaining, 12 into 1 we have already done this. So here the factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. In 20 you start with 1, 1 into 20 is 20, next number is 2 into 10 is 20, 3 not possible, then 4 into 5 is possible, then 5 we have already done, 5 into 4, then 6 also not possible, up to 9 it is not possible, 10 into 2 is 20 we have already done, then for other number 20 is not possible, so here you directly write factors are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20. So these are the factor. So after that we will see the next one, G question. So 1 into 18 is 18, then in 2 multiplication table 18 comes, then 3 also, 3 into 6 is 18, 4 not possible here, 6 is possible but we have already done, 16 into 3 is 18, then 7, 8, 9 is possible, 9 into 2 is 18 but it is already done, then next number, no one number is possible, so you write here factors are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. Here 23 is there, so it's basically prime number, so only 1 into 23 is possible. So here the factors are 1 and 23. So if the number is prime, then the factors will be 1 and that number itself. Next one is 36. So 1 into 36 is 36. 2 into which number is there? 18 is 36. Then what about the next number? 3. 3 into 12 is 36. Next number is possible with 4. 4 into 9 is 36. 5 not possible, 6 is possible, so here many factors are coming. 7 not possible, 8 we have done, 8 is also not possible, then 9 into 4 that we have already done here, 10 not possible, then 11 not possible, 12 possible that we have already done here, then 13 not possible, 14, 15 not possible, 16 also not possible, then 17, then 18 is possible that we have already done. So in this way you can write here factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, then 9, 12, 18, 36. So these are the factor. Now after this we will go to the next question. So our next question in the exercise 3.1 class 6 is 2. Question number 2, write first 5 multiples. This question is quite easy. If suppose you are calculating first 5 multiple of 2, how you will do? You have to just remember the multiplication table of 2 that everyone are knowing. So 2 into 1 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. So these are the multiple 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Same logic you have to implement here. First 5 multiple, so you have to start with the multiplication table of 5 from 1. 5 into 1 is 5, 5 into 2 is 10. So in this way you continue that. So here the first 5 multiples are at last you can write first 5 multiples are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So this is the answer. Now for the B part, same thing is there. you write the first 5 multiples. So for that you have to start with the multiplication table. So in this way you have to do, and at the last you just write here the multiples are 8, 16, 24, 32 and 40. Now for the C part, same you have to do. So here these are the multiples 9, 18, 27, 36 and 45. So in this way this question was quite easy, you can easily solve. Now we will move to the next question. So here our next question is then question number 3rd. Match the item. 2 columns have been given, 1 and 2. So basically in this 2 pair, this pair is important. First you read that multiple of 8. The answer can be 8, 16, 24 like that, because multiplication table you already know the number 8 means multiplication of 8. So here 35 is not coming in the multiplication table of 8. 15 is also not coming, but 16 comes. So here the answer is A. Next one is multiple of 7. So now you check the multiplication table of 7. 35 comes. Yes, it comes, because 7 into 5 is 35. So here the answer of 1 is B. Okay, and we got third one is A, that is multiples of 8. Next one is now multiples of 70. Multiples of 70. So again you have to know multiplication table of 70, and the first number should be only 70 and the next number is 140, but both the numbers, even other numbers are also not present. So right now we skip that and we solve factor of 30. So factor of 30. So factor of 30 means you have to think about the number which can divide to 30. So factor of 30 we will check one by one. 35 not possible. 15 is possible because 15 into 2 is 30. So its answer is D. Next one is factor of 50. Means you have to think about again number which can divide to that 50. So here the remaining number 20 not possible, 25 is possible. So its answer is E. Next one is factor of 20. So 20 can be a factor of itself. So here the remaining number is 20. So its answer is F. So we solve all. Here one extra was there, that is multiple of 70. We didn't get the match. So in this way you can easily solve. So I hope friend you understood this. Thanks for watching. Thank you.